Seva Spurti, inspiring stories for volunteers.
We have a volunteer in Bangalore who was coaching 10th standard students from a government school. These 4 children were from a small slum area. They did not have proper atmosphere at home to study. So the volunteer used to invite these children to her home in the evening after school hours. She was feeding them dinner and then teaching them. This was going on for a few days. As the 10th standard exams were close by, one day it so happened that the volunteer had to travel in the night. So she had kept her luggage, everything packed with her purse on the table. And the class went on. After the class was over, she went to bus stand, and when she got into the bus, she noticed that all the money was missing from the purse, about 1,000 rupees or so. And she could immediately connect that she had kept the purse on the table and these children whom she was actually coaching must have stolen the money from it. At first she felt very angry. How can they do it? I have been helping them so much all through. How can they even think of stealing from my pocket? But then she calmed down for a while and then she wanted to know why would they have done it? What would they do with that money? So after her trip was over, she came back home. Since the exam was only a few days away, she did not want to initiate this conversation and create disturbance in them. She waited for the exam to get over. After the exams were over, then she called these students and had a conversation. And with kind of loving conversation that she had, the children opened up and admitted that they did steal the money from her purse. She asked, what did you do with that? They said, for a long time we wanted to taste pizzas. And at our home they were not in a position to take us. So after taking money from your purse, we had pizza the next day. And this volunteer conveyed to the students why it is not a good habit to steal and what are the implications later on. And she said she would have given them pizzas if they had asked her. So this kind of conversation led them to realize, and they were really feeling very guilty and bad about it. Now the volunteer did not stop there. She followed up with these children, and now recently they finished 12th standard. She helped them get admissions into college. This is one story, and a very similar story I remember, which is 30 years old. We have a partner organization called Hindu Seva Pratishtana. There are few dedicated missionaries, I would call. They call them Seva Vrati. So one such young lady went to Bidar in Karnataka, and she wanted to work with a community called Harin Shikar. The main job of this community was to manufacture illicit liquor, country liquor. And the children were sent for begging. This was 30 years back. Children were sent for begging, and all these kids were expert at pickpocketing. Now this is the community this Seva Vrati wanted to transform. She started conducting classes for them daily for an hour or two. And it was a very common scenario that as soon as she turns to the board to write something will be missing from her purse. She observed it and she ensured that she would not keep many valuables in the purse, and the classes were going on. During Janmashtami time, she dressed all these boys and girls, all the young kids, as Radhas and Krishnas, and organized a procession in that community and invited all these parents in the slum area to come and watch the procession. Now these parents had never seen them in any other dress other than begging. When they saw their own children dressed up as Krishna and Radha, they were literally in tears. And they told this Seva Vrati that, these hands which are holding the flute of Krishna, we will ensure that we will not give a begging bowl in those hands. And they decided to send these children to school. Such kind of transformation is possible only when we have a loving relationship, a very compassionate relationship. If we feel angry about them, if we feel that we are doing so much favor and why are they not reciprocating, why are they stealing from our purse, that mindset if we get, we can very easily cut off the relationship. But in both these cases, we have seen that the volunteer took the role of a parent. Imagine if your own son or daughter makes a mistake, we would not cut off the relationship, we would not discard them, but see how can we correct them. So this correction is possible only when there is compassion. Compassionate correction, that is the key to your volunteer success.